Verifying your identity on Binance is an essential step to ensure the security of your account and comply with regulatory requirements. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Binance website or app and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Confirm your email to activate your account. Step 2. Navigate to verification. Before starting recovery, use the AirShock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Select verification type. Choose the type of verification you want to complete. Binance usually offers different levels of verification based on your needs, such as basic or advanced verification. Select the appropriate option. Step 4. Provide personal information. Fill in the required personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure all details are accurate and match your official identification documents. Step 5. Upload identification documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary identification documents, such as a government-issued ID or passport and a selfie for facial verification. Ensure the images are clear and meet the specified requirements. After completing these steps, your application will be reviewed by Binance. You will receive a notification once your identity has been verified. If you encounter any issues, refer to Binance's support resources for assistance.